I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Zero Trace brand, their baby-friendly laundry detergent sheets. 72 regular loads, 36 full loads. They're eco-friendly, all-natural, hypoallergenic, and biodegradable. This product gets excellent customer ratings. So one of the things that is going for this is, you can see, it's baby-friendly. It's gentle on newborn skin. A lot of parents love this for that reason. It's made without chlorine, latex, alcohol, perfumes, PVC, lotions, parabens, sulphates, and so forth. So hypoallergenic and cruelty-free manufacturing of this product. So it's got powerful stain removing capabilities. I've used this product before. It really does work. We're going to open this up and show you what they look like, and if you need to tackle tough stains on your clothes, make it look clean, fresh, this is a simple way to do it. And because they're so small and you don't have all the waste of the liquid and all the plastic, this is really good for the environment. Because I mean, look how small this is. So pretty impressive when you think about it. So here they tell you how much you should use, and you can use a half a sheet for a regular load. Regular load is typically what you do in your wash. Then if it's a really big load, you want to put a full sheet. If it's super big, heavily soiled, you can put 2 sheets in there. So you see all the information about the company on here. They tell you how to simply use it. Real simple to use. So let's take a look. Let's open this up and take a look at what they look like. Here they are out of the package, and there's more information from the company on here, letting you know other products that they sell, and really a good product. So take a look at this. You could tell that they're full of soap. You can feel it the way it feels, and you see right there you can rip them in half for the different load size. Hard to believe that one of these half sheets is going to do a load of laundry, but inside here there's a high density amount of detergent, soap, and they have a real nice natural smell to them. I'm really impressed with them. So I've used these before, and they work really well. How small this is. You put these together and you have all this ability to do all your laundry with this. It's pretty impressive when you think about it, as opposed to having a really big container that you get in the store, heavy to bring home. This is lightweight, very economical, hypoallergenic. I love this product. So what do I think about the Zero Trace brand, their baby-friendly laundry detergent sheets? I'm impressed by this product, and I think you will be also. Customers give it really high ratings. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.